as soon as time, maipapatawag na po yung mga hearings po relating, not just to flood control actually, but for all infrastructure projects. So basically, all-encompassing, all-seeking, yung pong investigation. Kasi very clear yung presidential pronouncement, very clear din po yung marching orders ng House leadership na talaga kailangan hanapin kung saan po nagkulang yung pong mga infrastructure agencies po natin. Kailangan natin malaman kung totoo ba yung binabanggit na may mga ghost projects, totoo ba yung binabanggit na meron mga na-delay na mga proyekto. Kasi ang totoo naman, and to be very fair to the public works, to the infrastructure agencies in government, meron din naman mga good examples eh. As for example, particularly, sa Marikina 18.7, 18.8 yung baha last week.
True.
Ang inaasahan ng mga kababayan po natin doon, talaga mababaha na sila.
Yeah.
Pero parang hindi sila nabaha. May
Yes.
ilang bahagi lang po na tinamaan po ng baha. So, yung mga ganon, I'm quite certain, yung pong flood control facilities po ng Marikina po, yung gumana po noon. So, kumbaga, to be very fair and to be very clear, hindi naman din totoo na wala nangyari sa lahat ng mga flood controls po in the last
Meron
couple
naman.
of years.